What's up, guys? Your girl, Nicole, back at it again. You know what today is? It's Thursday. So you know what that means. Let's talk Thursdays. So I'm gonna be doing a review on Jeffree Star. Most of the stuff that I bought are liquid lipsticks, and to be honest, I think his liquid lipsticks are probably by far my favorite out of all the brands that, I mean, not all the brands, but out of some of the brands that I have been using, the liquid matte lipsticks are the best by Jeffree Star. I think I absolutely love Jeffree Star Cosmetics, just in general. First, I'm gonna get into is some of his highlighters. And you guys know me and highlighters. I mentioned this in the other video before. I mentioned this probably in a couple videos. I am literally obsessed with highlighters. I have some Skin Frost, as you call it. So these are two of highlighters that I purchased from him. Packaging, super cute. Skin Frost, I mean, we all get it. Highlighters. All the cosmetics by him are all vegan, cruelty-free, and it says, you better glow, bitch, because, you know, you gotta get that highlight. Long-lasting, extreme beauty, the definition of highlight on fleek. I always feel like Jeffree Star always tries to be different with the packaging, and I mean, super cute packaging. So this is Peach Goddess, super cute packaging, and I love how big this is. Like, look at the size of my face, and this is how big it is. And I mean, look at this highlight. Absolutely beautiful. This highlight, oh my god, I like, it's basically, I want to say it has like that nice peachy finish to it, so super cute. Next highlight by him is Crystal Ball, and I mean, oh my god, this packaging, like that mirror effect on there, whoo, I love it. And again, so big. I think I just like the size of these because I like the mirrors. You could always take this with you, open it, and just like look. But oh my god, this color. So this is called Crystal Ball, and you guys will flip when you see this color. Look at that color. It's that nice frosty crystal white highlight. Such a beautiful color. These are like my favorites, literally. So next thing on the Jeffree Star list is basically this little collection that I got. But look how cute. I'm sorry, with me, it's all about packaging. Like, I love packaging. So this is basically the Mani Mua. I think that's how you say the name. I'm not really sure. Mani Mua. Pretty sure that's how you say it. But this is the collaboration between the two. Look how cute this packaging is. And you basically open it. And whoo, so basically two liquid lipsticks and a highlighter right here. Super cute. I'm sorry, but the packaging just says it all. I'm a sucker for cute packaging, and as soon as I see cute packaging, I gotta have it. I'm not gonna lie. So since we're talking about highlighters anyways, so this is the highlighter that came in the bundle or the collaboration between the two. Come on, how, like, what? This is so sick. So this is in Uranus color, and oh my god, so beautiful. I already like, oh come on, that is such a beautiful color. It has that kind of hint of gold to it, so it's a beautiful goldish highlight. So next thing I'm gonna get into is the liquid lipstick, since I'm still on the Mani collaboration. These are the two liquid lipsticks that came together in the collaboration bundle. So the first one is called Daddy. So this is how the color looks. This is actually what I have on my lips right now. Absolutely love. I think this is something that you could wear every day. It's such a beautiful color. And the next one is called I'm Shook. This is also such a pretty color. That nice reddish pink color. It's a nice red color. Definitely wearable every day for work or anywhere that you're going. So beautiful. So the next one is called No Tea, No Shade. And how beautiful is this color? I don't know how to explain it, but it's basically that beautiful purple, like dark purple color. So beautiful. It's such a, I mean, if you have this on your lips, it's gonna be like the first thing people look at. It's such a beautiful color. It's like a metallic dark purple, beautiful color with a hint almost of mixture of brown. So beautiful. I absolutely love this color. I basically bought his new collection that he probably came out, I believe, just before the holidays. But look at this packaging. So beautiful. Oh my god, the colors are absolutely beautiful. I think I'm more so obsessed with the packaging. So basically he has 8 beautiful colors, which I will talk about right now. So this first one is called Medusa. Oh, I mean, so this color is more so, it's that whole like navy gray color. It's such a beautiful color. You know, it's such a, I almost want to say it's kind of like a statement lipstick in a sense. So beautiful, such a beautiful color. The next color is Mermaid Blood, and this color is so pretty. It's kind of like a dark blue in a sense, like dark blue, like almost like a deep blue color, but like that mermaid kind of blue. So it's such a beautiful color. Again, it's such, like these colors are almost really like statement colors. It also depends on how comfortable you are wearing colors on your lips. I know a lot of people like neutral colors on their lips, a lot of people like red colors. With me, I am more so on the neutral side, but I do like to spice it up a little bit with some red. And I mean, this blue and navy color, I could try. You never know. If you have an event and you just want to be different, you want to step outside of your comfort zone, these colors are definitely great. The next color is called First Class, and this is the gold color. This gold color is, again, it's a statement lipstick, and it's just so beautiful. You really, it all depends. Again, it depends on your comfort zone with wearing different colors on your lips. But I feel like wearing a nice gold color is honestly beautiful. You literally cannot go wrong with wearing a gold gloss on your lips. I feel like in the end, what you have on your lips is what puts your outfit together. So if you're very comfortable with stepping outside the box, why not? The next color is Poinsettia, and I think this is one of my favorite colors from this collection. It's a beautiful red color, but this red is almost like a metallic red. It's honestly such a beautiful color, and the red is not too harsh. It's nothing too crazy, especially because it's metallic. It's nothing too crazy. I feel like it looks perfect on the skin. And I mean, especially because this was a holiday collection, this red would be perfect for any type of holiday. The next color is Berries on Ice, and I'm not really a huge fan of wearing purple colors on the lips. I mean, I have never really went about to purchasing purple lipstick or anything like that that's like very vibrant. This color is not vibrant though. This is kind of like a dark purple, so on your lips it almost kind of is that like plum purple. It's a beautiful color. I definitely feel, again, depending on your comfort zone, this purple color is not like a harsh purple. So this is called Santa Baby, and this again is on the purple side. I want to say this is darker than the Berries on Ice color. This has a hint of red to it. It's basically almost like that dark magenta color. Purple, red, beautiful color. Again, it's such a Christmas holiday color. The next color is Human Nature, and I honestly, this would be my second favorite color. This is kind of like the kind of color I usually go for, more like on the neutral side, but it has like that dark nude in a sense. I mean, it's funny, in the bottle it looks kind of like the nude, but it's kind of almost like a brownish pink. It's like that dusty rose petal color, beautiful color. This is kind of like one of my favorite colors that I usually like to go for, is that like dirty rose color, and this color is amazing. And the last color from the Christmas collection is Christmas Cookie, and this is your typical nude color. It's a beautiful color, don't get me wrong. I love nudes. Goes well for like every day. For me, I would totally wear that every day. It's just such a neutral color, very settled, nothing too crazy, nothing too in your face. So it's such a beautiful color overall, and I really like that color too. So most of the colors in this collection are a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I do like to explore. I do like to try new things. So I feel like once I wear one color, it'll kind of, you know, push me towards another color. So it all depends on you, it depends on your comfort zone, but I absolutely love all the colors from the holiday collection. Don't get me wrong, they're beautiful, and I mean the packaging, super cute. That glitter, that sparkle, oh my god. I'm obsessed. So that's it for the Jeffree Star swatches of the lipsticks, the liquid lipsticks, and the highlighters. I wish I had more stuff to kind of swatch, but this is it for now. I definitely do like Jeffree Star, so, you know, that's why I made the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let me know down below in the comments what your favorite Jeffree Star color is, or just let me know in general what your favorite brands are. I probably never even heard of some of the brands, because to be honest, I'm not a makeup guru. I love makeup, but I'm not a guru. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a like. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday and Thursday. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later.